So this is my latest build. Built a Centercab using two of the Marx GE 70 tonners that were broken. I put tab and slot couplers on it so it would be able to couple to just about anything. I have a S3 motor in it with traction tires, so it should pull pretty good. I fabricated the handrails. Wanted to make sure all the fabrication was done before I took it to painting and make sure everything runs good, so we'll test it out. Test the E unit. Great, that works good. Great, it works good. We'll break it all down now and we'll get it ready for paint, and then we'll show the finished product as soon as I get it done.